Yeah, hello everyone. So in this application, basically I have created a MongoDB connection to the Node.js. How we can connect to a MongoDB to a Node.js application in which I will be showing all the CRUD operations and creating the database and loading the data to the database. How is it? Just I started with npm init. It has created my this basic structure. And after that I did npm install of config and mongodb just to config my mongodb client and the config for basic configuration. So how this application run, we have I have created this config in which I will be dropping database, loading the database, getting the database, filtering by id, add, update, remove, delete. So I have this app.js, which is my main js file. It will be calling my methods in the repository. So I have created one circulation repository. This circulation repository will basically connect to the database and do all the required things. So let me navigate you to my atlas. In this atlas, you will have the databases. I would suggest to create a database access. You can create a new login ID and password and then go to your database. You can click on connect. You can, since we are connecting through drivers, you can click on drivers, get this url with you, and the username and password is the one which you have created just now in the database access. Now if I show you my database, in this I already have one collection, one collection newspaper, and database is circulation. So I will first delete this. So how I can delete using my application, I will go to my config. I will just drop database true. Whatever command you want to run, just make it true and make others as false. So basically now I'm going to drop my database, which I've just shown you. So the command will go to my app.js. It will just delete the db name, which is uh, circulation. So if I just do a refresh, it has deleted my circulation db. Now let's load the data. So this is the JSON file which I got it from somewhere, and we will be loading this records into our MongoDB. So we will make load one true and this one false. Node app.js. So if I just refresh, you can see 50 records being added. Circulation. In the circulation, you have newspaper. In the newspaper, you can see you have total 50 records loaded. And after that, let's get these records. So you have to just do true, false. The calls will go to your app.js. In this, you will have get all records from DB. It will basically uh, get the records from this circulation repo. Circulation repo will basically call your MongoDB client. You can see how we have created the connection and all here. So we have created MongoDB, then we are connecting to the DB, and then basically connecting to the collection. So this you can also just try. If you face any problem, then just ping me or whatever. So let me go to my config. Let's get the data what we have just inserted. So see here, it is the complete data which has come Boston, and the first data is USA Today, Wall Street. So if you see here also, you will be having the similar things. USA Today, Wall Street Journal. So yeah, let me make this false. Then we have a filter. Let's see what condition I have written in the filter. So I am searching I am searching the newspaper which has the name Wall Street Journal. So me make the filter true and others as false. Let me do a CLS so that our console is clean. We can see the things properly. So it will get me the newspaper which have the name Wall Street Journal. So if you see, it is giving me the name Wall Street Journal. Let me put the same query in here. We can put the same query and let's do apply. You can see the same record coming here which has the ID 64 something 6475. This has 6475 ending with 028 028, correct. Now let me go back, get by ID. So let me make it true. Let me go to my app.js, get by ID. Let's search the same by ID, or if you want to search by something else, then let me search some other record, like let's take some other record, might be we can take the New York Daily News. So let's put the ID here. So get by ID. So in the get by ID we made it true. Let's clear this Node.js. So New York Daily News. So same thing we can put here. Just we are filtering so that we can do the other things also on the same ID. Now we have add. So what we are going to add is let me see what I have added. In the add I am trying to add Hindustan Times. So if you see, we don't have Hindustan Times already present here. Hindustan Time is not present, and I will go and make this as true. Let me do CLS. Let me try to note app.js. So see, it is acknowledged true with this is the insertion ID 323 at the end. Let me try it here. 323 at the end. So this got added. Now what is the next function we have? Now we are updating. So we are getting by ID and doing an update. So let me put this ID here and config. Let's make this thing false. Let's make this thing true. Update. So this will basically what we are doing. We are updating the Hindustan Times to Hindustan Time Delhi. Let me do CLS. I'm doing CLS just to clean console so that we can have a clean output. Whatever. These are basic console things. I am just printing nothing. Yeah. So basically, uh, this you can also try. So what name we have given? Comma Delhi. So see, this has come with the same ID 323. Now let's try the last one, which is remove this average and all. Also you can try, like you can try other aggregate functions as well. So we are deleting. Let's delete this record itself. So let's search this ID and let's delete the same record. This is the record. Let me go to my app.js, delete. We need ID 323 ID. We have put it. Now in the config, we will just make it true. Perfect. Let's clear this out. Let's do node.app.js. Yeah, it has deleted. Let me search in my DB. Yeah, it got deleted. So yeah, this was a small POC where I have connected my Node.js with the MongoDB. Next, I will be trying Node.js with GraphQL, also Node.js with